only on the molecular organ that level. Chinese traditional medicine is beyond that.
Yes.
On the under the molecular, under the atom, still have 4 dimensions: yin and yang, empty and full, cold and hot, inside and outside, and adjust that, and then improve that. Okay. So that is the secret of the traditional Chinese medicine. The deep insight that more than the molecular, that level.
Yes.
Yeah. That is the first common medical problems. For the second most common medical problem is digestion, heartburn, reflux, so-called GERD, stomach bloating, peptic ulcer, colitis, diarrhea. That's most common problem in the digestion. In the past 40 years, because the PPI medication and X2 agent come out, have greatly improved the treatment for the digestive system by conventional medicine, but still have the problems. That for the goods, they have some difficult case, unable to resolve. The people need to depending to use the PPI for a long time. Additional, the symptom become worse and worse, and then they search some the surgical procedure to help that.
For PPI?
PPI, that is, for instance, Prilosec, that kind of agent. Yeah, Prilosec.
Okay.
Over the counter.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
That's a specific kind
Yeah.
of medication.
Medication. Yeah. X2, that agent, that is Zentab.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
You
kind of
see all
agent. Yeah.
those
Yeah. That's right.
Commercial kind of.
Yeah. That's right. That is PPI. That's from the that is from the pharmaceutical.
Yes.
That kind of the name. Okay. So that so for the goods, conventional medicine have some approach, but that approach is not so satisfying. Yes. Some people still for a long time have the heartburn. For that kind of case, I often encounter that kind of case. That kind of case usually treated with the traditional Chinese medicine have very good idea, very good result. How come the goods that difficult to treat? Because that from the metaphysics, that part, from the energy ocean, actually that goods is caused by the imbalance, the free energy in the whole digestive system. The too much heat in the lower part of the digestive system, too less free energy in the upper part of the digestive system. So they usually the movement from upper part to the lower part. But with that kind of imbalance condition, they can create an abnormal movement from the lower part to the upper part. So they create that reflux. How to treat such situation? Very easy. Just balance that kind of abnormal situation, increase the energy in the upper part, eliminate the kind of excess heat in the lower part, and the excess heat and dampness in the lower part, and then create the balance, and then the people will go away. For the hiccup, that also is a little pretty that kind of strange symptoms, hiccup often. Yeah, we saw the one of the case report. They have a young girl who have hiccup for many months. Yeah,
Continuous
and
type
continue
of
hiccup,
right.
continue, and they try to different approach. It's still difficult to resolve the case.
Yeah.
I treat some case for that. Easy. Just balance the upper part and the lower part. Actually, the problem look like in a diaphragm muscle, but actually is excess injury inflammation, excess heat and dampness in the lower part, and create that. So if we eliminate that kind of excess heat and dampness in the low part, and then they will go away.
Yeah.
So in one of the patients from Quincy, 3 months heating up continually. Go to MGH, go to many, unable to do that. And the GI look at the GI special scope his condition and cannot find anything wrong. And it's very bad. And then with my treatment, complete gone.
And the treatment that you're talking about is the traditional Chinese herbs
Herbs,
and finding that balance.
yeah, and that's right. Combine a little bit at the puncture. Actually, the Chinese herbs play the key role for that.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. That is for the goods.